Hi po! Happy birthday, Mami Gigi. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. And more power po, more birthday to come. Enjoy your day. God bless po.
Happy birthday po sa inyo, Mami Gigi. Sana po mas marami pa pong blessing at dumating po sa inyo mula po sa taas. Deserve nyo pong lahat yan na natatanggap nyo po ngayon. Sana po maging masaya po kayo at maging special po yung araw na to para po sa inyo. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi at sana po hindi po kayo magkasakit. Yun lamang po, Mami Gigi. God bless po sa inyo. Happy birthday po ulit.
Hello po, Mami Gigi. Happy birthday po. Salamat po dahil po nakilala po kita. Ang wish ko po ay sana po bigyan pa po kayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, healthy, at masaya po palagi. Happy birthday po ulit!
Hello po, Mami Gigi. Happy birthday po sa inyo. More birthdays to come po. Maraming salamat po, Mami Gigi, sa lahat po ng tulong niyo sa amin. Lalo na ho, pagka ho kami may mga problema, kaya po may sakit ang bata, nandyan po kayo. Thank you po, Mami Gigi. God bless po. See you soon. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Mami Gigi. God bless you. See you soon.
Hi Mommy G, it's Jasmine Camara. I am wishing you a happy birthday. I hope that you have a wonderful day filled with joy and everything you love. Again, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami G.
Hello po, Mami G. Happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga blessing na binibigay niyo po sa amin. Sana po palagi po kayo mag-ingat. More share and followers po pa po sana dumating. And stay humble, pretty, and good health po sa inyo po at sa buong inyong pamilya. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. And mahal ka po namin lahat ng mga supporters and followers na inyo. Happy birthday po, me!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hello, madam. Kumusta na ka? Happy birthday kaya. Wish ko kaya sana maging successful yung palagi yung game mo. Kaya mo sana paboran yung sarili mo. Magpakakwalta. Lalo na tsuna ka US. Ano kayo kakalimuan po at ang bilyonaryo na kanya, madam. Sana lakomit ang kakangkang. Stay pretty. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, Mami! Happy birthday! I miss you. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Pag uwi mo dito, more travel at ingat kasama mga friends natin. Ingat ka dyan. Talaga mo yung health mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Madam Gigi. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. Stay healthy and stay safe.
Hey, Madam. Happy birthday. Thank you for being such a good friend. And I wish you good health. Ingatan mo lagi yung sarili mo dyan. We miss you here and enjoy your special day. I hope you're happy. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Gigi. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Madam Gigi. Sana palagi ka pong masaya. At sana palagi kang ligtas dyan. Happy birthday, Madam. Rock and roll.
Happy birthday, Madam Gigi! God bless! We miss you!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Gigi. God bless po and enjoy your day. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday, Madam Gigi. Ingat lagi dyan.
More blessings to come.
Hi ma'am, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. God bless. See you soon.
Happy birthday, madam. Wish you all the best of best. Ingat palagi and God bless. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, madam. God bless po. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Mommy Gigi. Ingat lagi. Take care. Ay, ingat lagi to stay here. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Happy birthday, hot mama. I'm sending you all my love from afar. I miss you and I love you. Though we're miles apart, you're always in my heart. Alam mo yan. And hindi enough ang thank you para magpasalamat ako sa lahat-lahat. Lalong-lalo na nandyan ka lagi para sa akin through thick and thin. And sana next year makasama ka na namin na mag-celebrate ng birthday mo. Enjoy your day. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita. Sending you warm hugs and lots of love. Thank you for being such a wonderful part of our lives. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings in the year ahead. I miss you and hope to celebrate with you soon. Bye-bye.
Hello, Tita. Happy birthday po. Alam niyo naman, Tita, na no words can explain how grateful I am for letting me be part of your lives, and especially for being my second mom, from advices to guidance and making me feel included sa lahat halos po ng bagay. Sana po, Tita, napasaya namin kayo sa niredy naming gift para sa birthday nyo. Sobrang na-overwhelmed po ako, Tita, kasi nung nag-ask ako sa kanila patungkol sa bagay nito is nag-send kagad sila ng mga videos nila, and that's si Wapos person, Tita. We love you, Tita. Mahal ka po namin, and once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gigi! Happy birthday, Kuya Camelo! God bless you both! Mwah! Love you both!
Hi! Happy birthday, Ante! Take care and have fun! Happy birthday, Mama! Love you! Enjoy mo yung 100! Joke lang. Bye-bye! Love you!
Happy birthday, Mama!